Excuse my charisma, vodka with a spritzer, swagger down pat, call my shit Patricia, young money militia, and I am the commissioner. You don't want Star Weezy, cause the F is for finisher. So misunderstood, but what's the world without enigma?
Myrtle here, and today we're gonna do something done before on dirt bikes and other modes of transportation, but I've never seen it done on an old moped. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today, and this is illegal because my moped is not registered at the moment. It's not insured or anything, and I have my permit, but I can't find the actual paper that says, hey, I have a permit. I think police can look that up if they want to pull me over. So right now, I'm gonna make sure I'm recording. I am, because that would suck to like do this and then find out I wasn't recording. I just get home and like all my files are corrupt and stuff. I can do it again. It's not preferred, but I can do it again. Come on, baby, start up. Alright, here we go, boys. So, McDonald's isn't that far away, so it's not going to be that big of a deal. To go there. So this is probably going to be like a 10-minute or so video. Honestly, the worst thing that could happen is I A, get a ticket, or B, I don't make it there, and then C, all my files are corrupt, D, I get ran over, E, I ran out of ideas. Just a 15-year-old kid talking to myself on a moped, so, you know, life's great. So technically I'm legal, the bike's illegal, so this is gonna be fun. And no, I do not lane split, so I'm gonna go respectably behind these people. Don't you love topping out at 25 miles an hour? It's great. It really makes my day. So, and no, I do not have a GoPro. So you're probably seeing terrible quality right now and probably thinking to yourself, man, why did I click on this video? Great question. Oh, every white car I see, I swear it's a cop, and no, that's not racist. Just most cop cars are either black or white. Come on, buddy, move up in your Honda Civic. Dun 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 dun, I'm loving it. There's a Jeep behind me. What's up, dude? I'm probably getting looked at right now because I'm a kid on a bike with a camera strapped to my head, wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Yeah, I'm probably getting looked at. There it is, good old McDonald's. I'm loving it. Let me go straight. Whoa, that's big antennas you got there, bud. It's probably not good to rev this. That's good. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there. Oh, we're here. Oh my god. Let me make sure I have my money. They looked at me like, what the heck? Oh, dropped my money. That's not good. Hello? Okay. Well, they're out. Alright. Oh, like, of course it's gonna work for cars, but it's not gonna work for a bike, you know, because no one likes bikes. Screw bikes, you know what I mean? Can I enter the Wendy's from back here? Oh, I think I can. I can. This is amazing. This is game changing. Do I still have my money? I think I do. Ooh, what am I gonna get?
Hi, may I take that?
Hi, can I get a spicy chicken meal?
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
What can I drink?
Sprite, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
It's 33.
This is working out perfectly. Well, change the title to Wendy's. Screw McDonald's. How am I carrying this? You know what? Forgot a backpack. But doesn't matter. Don't need a backpack, you know? Sometimes in life you don't need a backpack to hold the weight of your luggage. That's some wise words, ladies and gentlemen. I hope a camera in his face doesn't, like, disturb him at all. Probably not. People probably think I'm crazy talking to myself right now. Come on, Wendy's. Why don't you have 3 windows? Actually 2. One to pay and one to get your food. Or is that just inconvenient? I don't know. How long does it make? How long does it take to make a meal? I just realized the problem isn't... I really didn't think this through. I just want my spicy chicken meal. That's all. I really should have brought a bag. Dang it. I'll just hold it here. I'll put the drink in the bag and everything. Yeah, bro, just take your time. Hey.
What is that, camera?
Yeah.
Want to give you a bag?
Yes, please.
Huh?
Yes, please. Not think this through. Yeah, I'll go around my handlebar. Then we're good. This won't spill, right? No, it won't spill. Okay, we're good. He's like, is that the camera? I'm like, yeah, boy, it's a camera. Come on. Oh, clothes don't smell like gas anymore. Drop gas. Oh, actually, a little bit. Drop gas on them. Yeah, no, not the smartest idea I've ever had. Official hamburger restaurant of the okay. I regret going here. Patriots fan does not go well with the Giants Wendy's. And yeah, I really didn't think this through with the whole bag situation. Well, yeah, I'll do it different next time. But for right now, I just want my food.
Need ketchup?
No thank you.
Huh?
No thank you. Thanks. Oh, Jesus. I hope the camera caught that. The guy was going, wee, wee. That's really funny. Hey, it's a biker dude. Hello, biker dude. Definitely not gonna catch him. So, successfully went to Wendy's. Oh man, every teenager should get one of these things. Even if you don't like bikes, I can't even use my brake. Even if you don't like bikes, mopeds are just awesome. You can be 15, you get freedom to go 25 miles an hour, but it's great. It's great, dude. Should I be that guy to lane split? No, I'm not gonna be that guy to lane split. What's up? How you doing? Can't even pull in my clutch. This thing only has a clutch to start it, so it's not really useful. It's not really like needed that I need to be able to pull it in. But like when I'm like speeding up, Thank you. Yeah, well, that guy's that's a nice guy. That's a mistake for letting me in though. Oh Jesus. Okay. This thing, it's all right over bumps. It's really not made for bumps. I'm slowing up traffic. I feel so bad. You know, the things you do. I'm all the way right that I can go. Oh, yeah, there he goes. Bye-bye. Of course they put all the holes on the right side. Exactly. No. Honda. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Actually, this is pretty useful. It's pretty successful if you ask me. You know? Like, look at that. Look at that. There's the camera. There you guys are. I'm gonna be editing this and just be cringing the whole time. Do I really have to upload this? Yeah, you do, bud. You do have to upload this. Oh, Twain, I take that every day to go to school because I want to get good knowledge. And then I'm probably gonna end up doing YouTube for the rest of my life. Hello. This is illegal on so many levels. I never lane split before, so don't even complain in the comments. Hey, you lane split. You lane splitted. You lane splitted. Is that a word? Lane splitted, or you lane split? Is it splitted or split? You lane split or split it? You know, honestly, it doesn't really matter. I honestly could care less. By the way, my gas tank latched. It wasn't latching before, and so, oh my God, that was an interesting experience. Huh. So, hey, I got Wendy's for dinner, you know? I call this successful. And my bike actually works. That guy can go way faster than I can. They're all probably wondering why is this white kid wearing shorts and everything, and now I'm gonna get distracted. Okay. Hey, I was identifying myself, not the others. A white person can look at me and say, man, that white kid is weird. I thought that car was about to get into an accident. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I had to worry about this guy. Patient is going to get someone killed one day. And then the so scary. Because I was like, I'm on a bike, a train would kill me with a flick of its finger. Like, it could just blow on me and I would die. Like, I'm not, like, I may be laughing, but I was actually genuinely scared there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, thank God. Alright. Well, this journey was a success. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up? Peace!
Act like that, this that bounce, clap like that. Girl, how you not in the front with a back like that? Back in the booth like booyah, hooyah. Gonna call when I rip like this, duck down. When I get like this, cause ain't no telling what I'm gonna hit. Gunning for the top, but I'm killing everybody under me for the fun of it. Wake up, my way.